Ever wondered what happens when your food delivery goes hilariously wrong? Picture this. A quiet evening in Delhi, India, a man named Akash Gupta decides to order some vegetarian momos to enjoy during the sacred period of Chaitra Navratri. A simple enough request, right? Well, not quite. As the delivery arrives, Gupta eagerly unwraps his meal only to find, to his shock and dismay, that the momos staring back at him are not vegetarian but non-vegetarian. A mistake surely, but one that could not have come at a worse time, given the religious significance of the period. Taken aback, Gupta does what many of us would do in the age of social media. He takes to the digital sphere to voice his dissatisfaction. His post quickly catches the attention of the internet, sparking a flurry of reactions and prompting responses from both Zomato, the food delivery platform, and Wowmomo, the restaurant behind the mix-up. Zomato, ever responsive, quickly apologizes for the mix-up, acknowledging the error and promising to ensure that such mistakes do not happen in the future. While Momo, on the other hand, remains conspicuously silent, leaving many to wonder about their role in the incident. Now, you might think this is an isolated incident, a one-off mistake that could happen to anyone. But hold on to your forks, because there's more. A year prior, a similar complaint was made by another customer, Natasha Bardwaj, who found meat in her vegetarian biryani. The culprit? None other than another popular food delivery platform, Swiggy. In her case, Bardwaj criticized Swiggy's response, or lack thereof, to the issue, bringing to light the question of responsibility and accountability in the fast-paced world of food delivery. So, what happened to Gupta's complaint? Well, the story takes an interesting turn. Gupta later deleted his post, leaving many to speculate about the resolution of the incident. To sum it up, food delivery mix-ups, while often humorous in hindsight, can lead to considerable dissatisfaction and even controversy. It's a reminder to food delivery platforms and restaurants alike that attention to detail is key, and when mistakes do happen, a quick and sincere response can go a long way in maintaining customer trust. After all, nobody wants a side of confusion with their order, do they?